Are your project status meetings dragging on with little to no outcomes? Or maybe your team leaves the meeting more confused than before. If you're struggling to run productive, time-efficient project status meetings, this guide is for you. Today, we'll show you how to conduct effective project status meetings that help your team stay aligned, keep projects on track, and improve communication. Hey everyone, welcome back to NxtChair, your go-to channel for all things project management. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our expert tips, step-by-step guides, and strategies to help you excel in your projects. Whether you're new to project management or a seasoned pro, this channel has something for everyone. Today's topic is a crucial one: how to conduct effective project status meetings. As project managers, status meetings are an essential part of keeping the project moving in the right direction. However, without the right structure, they can quickly turn into time wasters with little actionable outcomes. That's why it's critical to run them efficiently, ensuring that your team stays on track and informed. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to help you conduct project status meetings that are productive, time-efficient, and action-oriented. Let's get started. Step-by-step guide: how to conduct effective project status meetings. Step 1. Define the purpose of the meeting. First things first, define the purpose of your project status meeting. Every meeting should have a clear objective. For a status meeting, the goal is usually to review progress, identify issues or risks, and ensure everyone is aligned with the project's next steps. Avoid using status meetings to solve detailed problems or dive into unrelated topics. Instead, focus on 1. Reviewing project progress. 2. Discussing roadblocks. 3. Updating the team on key decisions or changes. Pro tip: send out a meeting agenda in advance. It keeps the meeting focused and allows the team to come prepared with any updates or questions. Step 2. Set a consistent agenda. One of the most important aspects of a productive status meeting is having a consistent agenda. A clear, structured agenda keeps everyone focused on the key points. Here's a simple agenda structure you can use. 1. Review project progress. Go over completed tasks, milestones, and upcoming deadlines. 2. Discuss issues and roadblocks. Encourage team members to highlight any challenges they are facing. 3. Action items and next steps. Assign action items to team members and make sure everyone understands their responsibilities for the week ahead. By following a consistent agenda, your meetings will become more predictable, which helps team members stay engaged and on point. Step 3. Keep the meeting short and focused. Status meetings should be short and to the point. Aim for around 15-30 minutes, depending on the size of the project. Long, drawn-out meetings can decrease productivity and cause disengagement. Here are a few tips to help keep things moving. 1. Stick to the agenda and avoid side conversations. 2. Limit problem-solving discussions. Identify issues, but save deep dives for separate meetings. 3. Use a timer if necessary to make sure you're not going over time on any one topic. If you're finding these tips helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and share it with your team. Conducting efficient status meetings will save everyone time and keep the project moving forward. Step 4. Encourage team participation. Effective project status meetings are not just about the project manager talking, they require team participation. Encourage your team to come prepared with updates and actively participate in the discussion. You can also assign specific people to give updates on key tasks or areas of the project. One great way to encourage participation is to have each team member answer 3 questions. 1. What did you accomplish since the last meeting? 2. What are you working on now? 3. Are there any blockers or issues? This simple format ensures that every team member has a voice and helps identify potential problems early. Step 5. Follow up with action items. Once the meeting is over, your work isn't done. Always follow up with action items and next steps. Send a brief summary of the meeting to the team, highlighting key decisions and responsibilities. This ensures accountability and makes sure that nothing falls through the cracks. Include 1. A summary of what was discussed. 2. Key action items and who's responsible for them. 3. Upcoming deadlines or milestones. Pro tip: using project management tools like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com can help track these action items and ensure everyone is aligned. Quiz time. Let's see how well you are following along with a couple of quick questions to test your knowledge. Question 1. What's the primary purpose of a project status meeting? A. To solve all project-related issues. B. To review project progress and discuss roadblocks. C. To brainstorm new ideas for the project. D. To give feedback on individual performance. Let's pause for a moment. Share your answer in the comments below. A, B, C, or D. Correct answer: B. To review project progress and discuss roadblocks. Question 2. What's the recommended length of a project status meeting? A. 1 hour. B. 45 minutes. C. 30 minutes or less. D. As long as it takes to finish all discussions. Let's pause for a moment. Share your answer in the comments below. A, B, C, or D. Correct answer: C. 30 minutes or less. How did you do on the quiz? Let me know in the comments. And if you're learning something new today, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more project management tips and strategies. Step 6. Continuously improve your meetings. Just like any other aspect of project management, your meetings should evolve over time. Ask for feedback from your team on how the meetings can be improved. Are they too long? Are they covering the right topics? By continuously tweaking the format and content of your meetings, you'll ensure they remain productive and valuable. How to deal with side conversations or off-topic discussions? One of the biggest challenges in keeping project status meetings on track is managing side conversations or off-topic discussions. Here's how to handle them effectively. 1. Politely redirect. If the conversation goes off topic, acknowledge the point being made, but politely steer the discussion back to the agenda. You can say something like, "That's an important point, but let's save it for after the meeting or address it in a separate session." 2. Create a parking lot. Use a parking lot approach. Set aside off-topic issues or side discussions for future follow-up. This ensures that important points aren't ignored but are addressed later, keeping the current meeting focused. 3. Stick to the agenda. Reinforce the importance of sticking to the meeting agenda. Remind participants that staying on topic ensures the meeting remains productive and time efficient. Pro tip: schedule a separate meeting or discussion for recurring off-topic issues so they don't derail the main meeting's objectives. By managing side conversations, you can keep your meetings short, focused, and productive. Conclusion: conducting effective project status meetings doesn't have to be complicated. By defining a clear purpose, following a consistent agenda, encouraging team participation, and keeping the meeting short and focused, you'll ensure that your team stays aligned and your project remains on track. If you found these tips useful, like this video, share it with your team, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step guides and tips on improving your project management skills. Remember, keeping your project status meetings productive and efficient is key to running a successful project. Keep them focused, engage your team, and follow up with action items to drive results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.